Well, I'm over here, Shaun, at Procter Gamble, and I'm talking to Sam Latif here. Sam, I've always wanted to get you on the show, and it's so funny because I had to come all the way to Los Angeles to meet someone from Glasgow, Scotland. How typical is that?
I know, well, you should have just called me when I was in Glasgow last week.
I know. Listen, tell us about the work you're doing here, because a lot of people might be aware of some of what you do at Procter Gamble to make products accessible. Tell us about it.
So we want to make our products accessible so that as many people as possible can use our products as independently as possible. And one of the challenges that people with low vision experience when using products is that a lot of bottles, they feel the same, So what we wanted to do was find a way using tactile to help people identify products through touch. So we've developed a language which is easy to read for blind and sighted people alike, that is simple compared to Braille, because less than 10% of blind people can read Braille. So we wanted to make something so simple that anyone can learn in a couple of minutes how to know what's inside that product. So I can share the symbols with you if you want.
Yeah, let's talk through it. So yeah, you've got them all here.
So I've got them printed off on tactile paper, and at the top we start with stripes. So the theme of stripes is cleaning.
Yeah.
One stripe is cleaning one body, so it's body wash. Two stripes is cleaning two hands, so it's hand wash. So Stephen, what do you think? Lots of stripes might be? 4 stripes could be?
Lots of bodies.
No.
Listen, whatever you got to in your own shower is up to you, right? But look, I don't know, you tell me.
Shampoo.
Shampoo,
because you have
okay.
Lots of hair.
Got you, okay, so it's a strand. Yeah.
So lots of strands. And then conditioner is to distinguish between shampoo. We put circles or lots of dots for conditioning. So that's conditioner, it's like 8 dots for conditioner.
Yeah.
And then we also developed symbols for laundry, doing your laundry. So one is, imagine the washing machine, it's like a square with a circle inside. So that's anything to do with your laundry. And if that symbol has 4 stripes underneath, that means it's laundry detergent. If the symbol has a wave underneath, it means it's a fabric enhancer. So I can show you now how they look on actual products.
Yeah, so it actually appears like when you go into a store. So you go into a store, and this is on like everyday products, right? This isn't specialist products, this is brands we all know.
So the products I'm going to show you now are actually in store, either in the US or in Europe. So the first one is the Olay Body Indulgence Body Wash. And
never tried it.
It's really good. It smells gorgeous. It feels like having a spa in your shower. It's
that sounds good.
It's lush. But there's a tactile symbol on the top.
Yes.
Can you feel it?
I can. So that's the single stripe. Yeah. So
that's body wash.
Body wash. I'm trying to remember I feel there's a test coming at the end here, Sam.
Oh, I'm
going to fail it.
Well, I might have a gift bag for you if you pass the test.
Freebies for a test. Goodness me. Don't get nothing for nothing here, do you?
There's a big pump bottle here.
Oh yeah.
And
no, I think I know what this one is actually, because I've used this one myself. Now, is it on the
back?
On the back. Okay. Oh, there we are.
Can you feel it?
Oh yeah. So that is shampoo, because it's the 4 stripes.
4 stripes. Lots of stripes. Shampoo. So that is Head and Shoulders conditioner in a pump bottle.
Yes. That's the one I've used. Yeah.
And then I've got a box here, and there's a symbol on the box.
Let's see. Oh yeah. So it's the square with the circle in it. Mm-hmm. And there are 4 stripes just below that.
So Stephen, what could that be?
So that is detergent, isn't it?
Absolutely,
laundry detergent.
Yes. Do you like the laundry symbol? That's my favourite.
Yeah, I do like that, yeah. It makes sense, it does. And the thing is, you get used to this very quickly.
Yeah.
I mean, you've only just shown me this and I'm starting to remember it.
Yeah.
And you will, because you'll associate it with the product eventually as well, so you just get used to it. It means when you find a new product, you can try new products.
Yeah.
You don't have to stick to the same brand all the time. That's the other side of it.
Absolutely, yeah. You can try. You don't normally know what's there, so.
No.
But that symbol just gives you that reassurance that this is this is the product, like it's a shampoo or a conditioner or whatever, so you might just try it.
Yeah.
So this product's actually designed to be opened by, easy to open with one hand if you need to.
And this is another aspect of the work you do, isn't it?
Inclusive design, yeah. So if you want to try, you can open this box.
So there's 2 holes on the side of the box.
Mm-hmm.
Now you told me earlier to squeeze the sides and lift, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. There we go.
There we go.
And I've got it, okay.
Inside the box, there's a wee gift for you. It's
you know you're Scottish when you start saying "we" all the time, right? It's a wee gift.
Yeah, it's actually our new sustainable laundry detergent, so there's no water in that.
Okay.
It's made of fibres and it can dissolve in cold water.
Oh, cool. Right, let me give you the lid.
Okay. There we go.
And that's fantastic.
And actually, forgot to mention, next to the tactile symbol, there's a NaviLens code on there.
Okay, so for those that don't know NaviLens, tell us about that.
So NaviLens is like a QR code, but it's not. So basically, I open the NaviLens app on my phone, and if our products contain NaviLens codes on them, I can scan a whole shelf, in theory, of products without knowing where the code is. And within 1 second, I can scan up to 300 products and then pick the one that I want through my phone, and it can then either read that product information, like the name, how to use the product, or it can guide me to find that product off the shelf in a very elegant way. So it tells you to go left, to go right, and as you get closer, it goes beep, 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 beep. So it's really, really great to find products on the shelf and to get access to that information about the product, which, you know, as blind people, we find it hard to read what's on packaging. So this is a really cool way to provide equal access to blind and low vision people.
I mean, there's a lot of people that might say, well, why not just add more Braille to products?
Well, like I said, like less than 10% of blind people can read Braille, but can you get all the ingredients of a product in Braille on a bottle? You'd need like 10 pages.
Yeah,
Braille.
it comes with its own book, right?
Yeah.
And that's the problem.
And also, manufacturing Braille on packaging is quite challenging. So it's not something that's so easy to do. Whereas adding a simple code can achieve the same or even better results. So it's really productive. And coupling that with the tactile, you know, there's subtle symbols. It doesn't take up too much real estate on the packaging, and it does the job. It's really good. So
now, I know you're a humble person, but I do want to say you're a bit of a superstar in this industry because of the work you've done here. And I know you have a team, and I know you're working with lots of great people, and that's what you'll tell me. But you've been leading this. You've been leading this charge.
I was very, very lucky because I worked at P&G for 16 years in IT, and then I felt a calling to do something that I thought we could help the disability community, and I wanted to focus on making products, services more accessible because I was frustrated as a consumer myself, thinking, why can't we just make products accessible, you know?
Yeah.
So I thought, well, why don't I just go and do it myself?
Yeah.
So that's how I got involved. But I've been very lucky. A lot of the, you know, people inside the company are the ones that actually make the magic happen. And I did, you know, come up with the ideas in the beginning, but, you know, there's a whole load of people that are passionate about this space and have been working tirelessly to make it come to life.
Well, I appreciate what you've done. It's an amazing job. Well done for it. And thanks for joining me today.
Cheers. Thanks, Stephen. It's like, I feel like I'm a bit of a legend myself. I need to subscribe to this podcast. And
she doesn't even subscribe to the podcast. I mean, this is an absolute disgrace. Please, so you're on camera.
Yes.
You're on audio. You're going to subscribe after this, aren't you?
I promise. I'll subscribe and listen to you regularly.
You're very kind. Well, that's how we do it here at Double Tap. We go listener to listener at Double Tap. Listen, thank you, Sam. Shaun, going to hand it back to you. Where are you?